Do you want to know what is the reason behind this big move from here till here, and why is Nifty taking support at this area and making a bullish move from here till here? What is the reason behind that? And what is my trade entry, exit, and target, and the logic behind taking the trade? What happened throughout the trade? What is the psychology? Everything will be discussed in this video. And see here, in order to discuss about today's price action, I should tell you what are the high probability trade locations I have marked even before the market opens. See here, the Nifty and Bank Nifty are in different trends. For example, Bank Nifty is in the downtrend and Nifty is in the uptrend. Actually, my approach is when the when the indices are showing some good setup, only I will take the trade. Otherwise, I try to avoid the trades every single day. So see here, this is the red one. Let me move this. This is the red line which I have marked even before the market opens, and I wanted to take the trade here by considering different factors. Now, this is also an area where I wanted to be bearish in the market. See, and I have already told you that Nifty is in the bullish trend. See, green lines are here, which is an indication for the uh, bullish trend. Okay, so what happens here is when the first 5-minute candle formed here, it is in the risk reward, good risk reward. Okay, whenever I want to take any trade, I would like to place this here, because if the price comes into in this pink area, that is an indication for me in the live market that is a good risk reward trade. But when the price is taking resistance at my area, being bearish in Bank Nifty, I would like to see the Nifty also, which is in bullish area with big candle. See here, this is the big candle here. So there is a conflict between Nifty Bank Nifty. Even though it is a good setup, it may reverse from here. Okay, let me actually tell you why I didn't take the trade. Why? Because see, this is a good setup, pre-planned trade, high probability trade location. It is resulting from the CPR as well as the first 5-minute candle also. So I can enter here, but why I didn't take the trade here is if I enter here at this candle, placing my stop loss above this area, there are two things can happen. The first thing is it can come down like this, and the second thing is it go against in my direction. Why? Because see the first 5-minute candle here, as the Nifty is in the uptrend, the first 5-minute candle is giving the bullish signal. So what happened here? When Nifty is bullish and Bank Nifty is bearish, there is going to be usually fight between both the indices. So in such cases, there are higher chances to the price to go against me, and it will take my stop loss. So I didn't enter the trade. And by the way, if you want to know about yeah, I know you want to about this big moves reason. The reason here is the 20 EM. See, this is the black line I have marked here. This is the 20 EMA line in the daily time frame. Okay, let me show you. When price is there at the 20 EMA, there are higher chances to the price to move in opposite direction. So see here, this is the black line I have marked even before the market opens. But the unfortunate thing here is even though I am guessing this movement in Bank Nifty, and I have not able to enter the markets. The reason here is I have been analyzing this area since 20th November, but this is not giving good trade here. Okay, so again next day it is also consolidating given some movement here, but I lost confidence today to take the trade here due to this aspect also. First 5-minute candle, bullish candle closes above the CPR. So what happens throughout the first half of the day, it is trending downwards. See, as I am expecting this move, but the real move happens, then I'm not in the trade. This is one of the drawback today, but I know that when I am following the process, analyzing the charts as per the system, I'm going to make money. Okay, I don't regret about this move, but I know due to the concept I have learned, I'm going to make money. So see here, and I would like to explain this concept here. Throughout the day, it is coming down like this, and suddenly it took support here. What is this area? This is the Virgin CPR area. Virgin CPR is something the price didn't go in that CPR throughout the day. See, the price is above the CPR and there is no price movement in CPR. So this CPR will be considered as next day's Virgin CPR. So when the price is taking support at Virgin CPR, there are higher chances to the price to move to today's CPR. Listen to this carefully. When the price taking support at the Virgin CPR, okay, there are higher tendency to the price to move till today's CPR. Okay, this is the reason why I took a trade here. Okay, I will explain you the trade here also. See, before the market opens, I have marked this green line here where I wanted to be bullish at this area. And see here, as I have expected, this candle moves above the S1 and closes above the previous day low. So this is an indication for me to enter the markets. Please ignore my cough. So see here, after entering here, it's been consolidating and I am having some theta decay in my favor also. So what happens here? Um, the reason behind taking this trade is two things. The first thing is it is taking support from the Virgin CPR. Okay, the number one thing. The second thing is the price is going downwards and it came till S4, which is the overbought zone. Overbought zone in the sense most of the time it will reverses from this area. Okay, that too it reverses from the supply zones. So this is the second reason. Okay, it is rejecting from the taking support from the supply zones here, and there are higher chances to the price to go in my direction. So what happened here? I have been, it's been consolidating, moving here and there. But at this point, at this candle, it took my stop loss. Okay, it took my stop loss and again it is going in my direction. This is like something, operation success, patient dead, everything is going in my way, but it triggered my stop loss. So the reason I have found out here is whenever I am entering with this big candle, for example, this candle length is 20 points, okay? When I enter it with 20 points with the market order jumping. In the sense, for example, my stop loss points is 20 points. It is moving above 20 points. When I place my stop loss below this area, it is moving above. That means I have to place 23 points around stop loss here. But due to the placing the market order in the live market, it is taking some more points, and this leads to my stop loss triggering. Most of the time, my direction is right in the market. These small things would take my stop loss. First, I have frustrated by seeing these big candles, but I realized that we can't do anything, right? We just have to correct ourselves. We can't do anything that has already happened. So I took a decision that whenever the candle is so big, I will make sure that I will wait for the retracement. or wait some discount. For example, if I have entered after the close of this candle, I may not trigger my stop loss. Okay, whenever I am entering with such big candles around 20 points stop loss, that time it triggers my stop loss and goes in my direction. So next time onwards, even though it is looking so tempting to take the trade at these candles, I will not take the trade. So exact trade logic is here. See, it is taking support from the supply zone as well as the S4 as well as overbought zone. So there are higher chances to the follow. The expectation is right, the analysis is right, everything is right. But due to entering after this big candle, my stop loss triggered. So I know that some of you have faced this problem. So whenever this happens, don't be hasty to take the decisions. Just wait and ask for the discount. If it is coming near your area, you can take the trade. Okay, this is how the trade happened today. And see here, you may face any obstacles in the market. You may face some losses, even though they have to be your profits. You may have some losses. Don't worry about it, because tomorrow also we have the markets, right? They one good trade is enough to take all your losses. Okay, to give you 1% as a trader. Okay, as a option seller, I need every week 1%, and I know that there are plenty of opportunities for me in the indices to make 1%. So I will wait for the next opportunity. I will not take any revengeable trades to recover today's loss. Okay, losses are the part of the game. So stick to your process. Even it is giving you profits, don't feel pride about the profits, or don't feel sad about the profits. Okay, always worship the market. It is giving us the profits. When we stay disciplined with the market will always reward us. Okay, the mistake I have done here is I have to wait to some retracement here, then I would make some good profit, very awesome profit. This is the hero zero trade. You know what, this is the hero zero trade setup, and it triggers my stop loss, goes into my direction. Okay, those who are option buyers in the market today, they will make money, right? They will definitely make money at this level. See, this is the high probability trade location. When they enter after this red candle, they can make big money in the markets. But even though you know everything, sometimes you have to face losses. Or if you don't know anything, also you can make big profits from the market. Stay with your process, stay with your system, execute. If the system demands you to be bullish in the market, just be bullish in the market. If it says to be bearish in the market, just bearish in the market. Not involve your feelings, emotions by taking the trade. Okay, when it is showing the setup in the charts, then you have to take your trades. Every day at 8 p.m. I'm conducting a 8 p.m. webinar for the YouTubers, my subscribers, and my Telegram subscribers, where I'll explain the CPR concepts as well as the doubts of them. If you have any doubts and if you want to learn from me also, you can join this 8 p.m. webinar, which I'm going to give the description link in the description. Thank you so much for watching my videos.